Nowadays, it's common knowledge that eating a lot of fast foods contributes to obesity. Let's say we wanted to collect data to ascertain the truthfulness of this hypothesis. We would have to measure the variables. In the research process, we test hypotheses by measuring variables. Variables are things that can vary or change, such as differences in physical characteristics, for instance, height, weight, and behavior among people. Most hypotheses can therefore be expressed in terms of the proposed cause and the proposed outcome as the main variables. The proposed cause is known as the independent variable, while the proposed outcome is known as the dependent variable. The independent variable is a variable that is the cause of some effect, while the dependent variable is the variable that is affected by changes in the independent variable. The dependent variable is therefore an outcome. So, considering our example of hypothesis that the consumption of fast food causes obesity, the independent variable, which is the cause, is fast foods, while in contrast, the dependent variable, which is the outcome, is obesity. So, with different variables, we need different levels of measurement. In the research process, variables can occur in different forms and levels of sophistication. The level of measurement is the relationship between the variable being measured and the numbers representing such variables. Variables can be classified as either categorical or continuous with different levels of measurement. Let's look at categorical variables. A categorical variable is made up of different categories. For example, plants, animals, and humans. Categorical variables name distinct entities that cannot exist in incomplete forms. Examples of categorical variables include binary, nominal, and ordinal variables. The categorical variable can name two types of things, for example, dead or alive. This is known as a binary variable. Yes or no responses to a question is also a binary variable. This is because there are only just two categories that an entity can be placed in. On the other hand, categorical variables can exist as nominal variables. Nominal variables represent variables that are used to label names and categorize specific attributes that are being measured. Examples of nominal variables include national identification number, phone number, or postal code. Arithmetic operations cannot be performed on nominal variables. Categorical variables can also be unordered or ordered. Ordered categorical variables are referred to as ordinal variables. Ordinal data provides an order in which certain events have occurred. However, ordinal data does not provide the difference between different categories of data. Ordinal variables can have numeric values. For example, a Likert scale is mainly used to get opinions. Here is an example of a Likert scale. Ordinal variables can also exist in intervals. An example of an interval scale is this question. How old are you? 17 to 25 years, 26 to 35 years, or 36 to 50 years. Continuous variables are the ones that provide a score for each person and can take any value on the measurement scale being utilized. Examples of continuous variables include interval variables and ratio variables. An interval variable is a measurement variable used to define the values that are measured along a given scale, with each point in a scale being at an equal distance from another. As a result of each point in an interval scale being at an equal distance, arithmetic operations can be performed on the numerical values obtained from the interval scale. The arithmetic operations of the interval scale are limited to either subtraction or addition. For example, time, temperatures in Celsius or Fahrenheit, the scores in a given test. Ratio variables. The ratio variable goes further than the interval variable by requiring that the ratios of values along a given scale be meaningful. The ratio variable includes a true and meaningful 0 point in the measurement. As a result of having a 0 point, all forms of arithmetic, including addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations can be performed on the values of the ratio variables. Time is an example of a ratio variable in that it has a meaningful 0 point, in that 0 can represent the starting point of measuring time. Thank you for watching this video. If you found value in the information provided, do not forget to like and subscribe to make this video more visible to other people like you.